Here, the heart rate is less than 60, with the QRS greater than 0.12 and elevated T waves. Elevated T waves may be an early sign of a myocardial infarction or electrolyte imbalances. Peak T waves, seen here, are usually caused by hyperkalemia or high potassium levels. Notice the QRS complexes above. The complex on the left has a normal potassium level of 3.5 to 5.0. The complex on the right will show what happens as the potassium level rises. The T waves may range from a low amplitude to tall peaks depending on the level of potassium in the blood. As the hyperkalemia or potassium levels rise, the T waves become more peaked and the QRS widens. Always confirm with labs and a 12 EKG.